Today we're going to try to paint prep this wall. As you can see, this was previously painted. A lot of it chipped off by itself. Then we went and tried to take off the loose pieces. However, it just keeps on peeling, and it looks like whoever put this coat on didn't clean prior, because it may look solid, but then if you just start peeling, it just comes right off. So I'm concerned if we paint over this, it will, all of it will come off. So we want to strip all this off. I had a few different options. I wanted to start off with this one. This seems like the least toxic and the easiest to handle. This stuff. Last night we put on a little sample here, and now it's actually just peeling right off. So as you can see, it's just the latex paint's just like goo. So now we're going to paint the entire wall with it, let it sit until it becomes softened, and then brush it and wash it down. I've coated the entire wall with a thin layer, and it hasn't even been 15 minutes, and you can see it's coming right off. So look at that. I'm going to let all the surfaces bubble up like this and then scrub it down. It's been an hour since we applied stuff, and you can see almost everywhere is bubbling up. Now I'm going to take a wet brush and brush this down. I briefly wet down the wall like this to help stuff get loose. All right, here I have a steel brush on a stick, and all right, so I gave it a top-down scrub with the wire brush. As you can see, all the paint is falling down like this. So I'm going to scrape this all up, bag it up, and then I'm going to rinse this wall down and give it a good scrub with the plastic brush there. And then areas that I feel need another coat, I'm going to put another coat. Like that area right there probably needs another coat. That corner up there, some little spots here and there, but I want to say I'm very satisfied already. Like 90% of what I was hoping to get off came off. So very good results from this stuff right here. Here it is after rinsing everything off with some hose water. So no pressure washer, just pressure from the hose. And as you can see, like I said, we're almost like 95% done now. All the paint that needs to come off. You can see some bigger chips flew off with the pressure of the hose. I bet you if I had a pressure washer, we could have gotten 100% in that rinse. Because that stuff there especially is like pretty loose. What I'm going to do now is let this wall dry, and then once it's dry, I'm going to put another coat on of this and then repeat the process, and I think that'll be good to go for paint.